Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're going to be picking on radio out of a 1963 Rambler American. This comes from Ross in Fort Collins, Colorado. Ross has requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth, USB reader, and aux input. So, the job's complete. Let's go ahead and turn her on, make sure everything works. Got it set to FM at the moment.
Like Beyonce, like me.
And the first thing we'll do is just run all the way down the dial. Make sure we can pick up a decent number of FM stations.
She's heard from a woman with two.
Hope will his own answer and his don't be led astray. When I'm with you on the rate of 3. Instead of New York and a much
What's happening?
Like is gonna have.
I'm stuck.
Okay, that's about 30 FM stations. Let's go ahead and flip it over to AM, which we do by turning it off and then right back on. Off, on. Now we're on AM. Should pick up 2 weak stations at this end. One, two, and a stronger one toward the center.
Well deserved.
Here's our strong AM station. Okay, we'll go back to FM so we can demonstrate the other functions. Try to find some talk, right?
On the show, who wrote it?
Okay, demonstrate the virtual balance and fader. We're going to need our speaker meters for this. Okay, virtual front rear fader. Activate that.
90 days before an election.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're using the same control to adjust our front rear fade.
For their
You can
president.
adjust it as long as you want to.
It's a huge problem. And
When you're satisfied, take your hand off the control and then
Fader set.
fader set. Okay, let's try the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn this tone control twice to the left to activate it. So here we go.
Universal mail-in voting is proving to be.
Balance adjust.
Okay, balance adjust. And now this same control is adjusting our left-right balance. Left,
Joe Biden.
right,
They want people to vote
all the way left, all the way right.
Mail-in voting because the Democrats want to
Okay,
fix this
stop
election.
adjusting that.
They want
Balance set.
Balance is set. Okay, what's next? Let's make sure the Bluetooth activates. We're going to do that by turning our volume control twice to the right.
turn the Nevada move.
Bluetooth ready to
Okay,
pair.
Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. And as you guys know, I don't do all that on the demo videos. It's just too time consuming. Just make sure the Bluetooth works. Let's try the USB reader. I'm going to plug my radio commercial in real quick. Make sure that it switches over and starts playing.
Which of the two parties in America?
Okay, unplug the stick. Radio comes back right away. Last thing to check. Let's check the dial light real quick. You can see that's flashing on and off in response to my command. Let's try the aux input. Just make sure it switches over. One side, other side. Now there will be a 20-second delay after using the aux input. There is a 20-second delay before the radio comes back. If you don't like that delay, just turn it off, turn it right back on. Radio will come back right away. I do like to test the 20-second timeout function just to make sure that that works. So our radio should be coming back on in about 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
And that's what they've done. They never
Okay.
accepted the results.
That was close enough. Okay, everything is working, and she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old, ancient AM radio. I can make it do a whole other kind of stuff that it didn't do when it left the factory. So my number for this type of call only, not if you're looking for a belt or a part or anything like that. I'm not a part supply house. I am strictly a repair shop. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.